So this is very interesting video about deforestation.
Yes.
We will be talking about the main causes of deforestation, the effect, and how to stop deforestation in this video. Okay, Junaid, let's tell the viewers that what is deforestation.
So when we are removing the trees, unwanted trees, so from the surface of earth, so this is called deforestation.
So you mean that when we cutting,
Yes.
removing the trees from the surface of the earth, that is we call deforestation.
Deforestation.
Because you are cutting, you are destroying forest.
Yes.
It is called deforestation. Okay. What are the main causes? Why people cutting trees? Why people removing jungles
Yes.
from the surface of the earth? So tell us that what are the major causes of deforestations?
So trees are present on the surface of earth, so many causes to remove the trees. For example, if the population is growing, so they will need new houses, so they have to remove the trees and create new houses. So for this purpose, trees are removed from the surface.
So you mentioned that the most and major cause of deforestation is the population explosion.
Yes.
The growing populations.
Yes.
They need more houses,
More houses.
more buildings.
More buildings.
So for that purpose, they need to create space for buildings.
Yes.
So they cut the trees
Cut the trees.
and they build a building there.
Yes.
So this is the one major cause of deforestation.
Yes.
Okay. What is the next?
They are creating roads. So
This is understood that if you want to build a house or building, or make school or college or
Yes.
any type of building, so you must need roads.
yes.
So if that is the thick jungle,
Yes.
and so you must need to cut the trees to make roads.
Yes.
So that is the second, and this is something associated with the building.
When the building, yes.
Okay, so roads, people, when you make roads,
Yes.
it's not related to that.
Yes.
If you want to connect two cities,
Connect to cities, yes.
so you need roads.
Roads.
So for that purpose, you cut trees. So I think connecting two cities via road is a good way to increase the economy of the country.
Yes.
But I think if we choose the route which is not a jungle,
Yes.
so that will be a
Yeah.
better idea
Yes.
to save our jungles.
Save our jungles.
Okay. What is the other main causes of deforestation?
People cutting for easy caches. So they cut the trees and sell it to
For
market.
easy cash?
For easy cash.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
How easy cash?
For instance, they will cut the trees and will transfer to the furniture's houses.
Oh, furniture house. Oh, very interesting point you mentioned. Well done, Junaid. You means that people make like furnitures,
Furnitures.
tables, chairs, those kind of stuff. So people go to jungle and they cut it and they sell it.
Yes, it.
So for easy cash. Well, this is very interesting point.
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Yes.
So, do you have some other causes?
Yes, for medicine they also remove the trees.
But I think medicine, it's
Yes, yes.
for medicine purpose.
Yes.
I don't think trees, they just cut the plants.
Yes.
What do you think? Tree also?
So, not really, but
Okay, you're not sure.
yes.
But okay, if you are producing in mass production,
Yes.
you are running a company, industry,
Yes.
factory, and you want to produce large products, large yield, you want to export. So you are right here. You need to cut the trees down. Yeah, and that trees is very important for the purpose. So you mean that for medicine purposes?
Yes.
But I think I want to add something very interesting.
Yes.
The main cause in rural area, particularly, is for fuel.
For few, yes.
Because we know that in many cities, rural areas in Pakistan,
Yes.
in some other countries of the world, they do not have access to gas, natural gas.
Yes.
So we definitely need fuel for burning purposes. So we cut the trees and burn at homes. But I want to add something, that tobacco.
Yeah.
That is, tobacco need woods,
Woods, yes.
and they require in a large amount.
Large amount, yes.
So tobacco is the main cause of deforestation. People cutting trees to burn the tobacco in the furnaces, and the kind of huge furnaces, or you can say batti or something. So that is also the main causes. Okay, so what is the, we explained very nicely that the major causes of deforestations. So what is the effect of deforestation on society, on our country?
Yes. So many effects are present. So when everybody know that it is the everybody know that oxygen is produced due to trees. So when we are removing the trees, so oxygen company is finished because it is company for producing oxygen. So when we are removing the trees, so the oxygen level will be less in the environment.
So you mean that due to deforestation,
Yes.
We are decreasing the oxygen level,
Level.
and we are increasing the carbon dioxide level.
Carbon dioxide level.
The two disadvantages.
Yes.
We are decreasing the oxygen.
Oxygen.
We are decreasing oxygen,
Yes.
and we are increasing carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide. Yes.
So that is the major effect
Major effect.
on us
And us,
of
yes.
deforestation.
Yes.
Okay, what is the next effect of deforestation?
So floods and storm can also directly attack on us if there was no trees behind or the sides of the villages. So the flood will directly attack on the houses. So there will be no stock to stop the flood. So if the trees are present,
You mean that the
Yes.
soil erosion?
yes,
We can control soil erosion
yes,
because if we have forest,
yes,
if we have trees on the river banks, so we can stop the soil erosions, and we can save our crops in
yes,
the cities from the flooding.
flooding.
So if we have the forest.
Forest.
So that is another effect
Yes.
of deforestations. So do you have any other effect of deforestation?
Wildlife.
Wildlife, it affects wildlife.
Yes.
Wildlife, it's very interesting.
Yes.
But I don't know much about that, this
Yes.
biology. What is wildlife basically? How it is affecting wildlife?
We know that many animals or wildlife birds are living in the forest. So if we are removing the trees or forest, removing the forest, finishing the forest, so they will be transferred from one place or killed there. So
So you mean there will be fighting also, complex,
yes,
having their own places.
yes,
So it causes maybe a large scale migration as well.
yes, migration. Yes.
So it will affect their habitats. For
Habitats.
instance, if they are in the time of productions,
Yes.
they are time of giving eggs or something,
Yes.
and you cut the trees, so you're destroying their whole life.
Whole life.
So it affects the wildlife as
Wildlife.
well. Oh, okay, well done, Vinay. You have so many points. Next time. Okay, do you have any other effect of the deforestation?
No, so
Oh, that's all. Okay, let's talk about that. How to stop deforestation?
Yes.
Who is going to stop? Me, you, or the government, or society? Who is going to stop this deforestation?
the first thing is to bring awareness among the people that forests are creating oxygen for us.
Good point.
Yes, and social media also take part here because they need to bring awareness.
Bring awareness
Yes.
very well, but I think due to education, if you give
Education.
proper education,
Yes.
so you can educate people, you can tell that
Yes,
if we are here, they are there for us.
yes,
So we are depending on each other.
yes,
So please do not cut them.
Yes.
If you are cut them, so you are creating trouble for ourselves.
yes,
So you mean awareness, and this is through education.
Education.
Social media can play a very important role bringing this issue and tell the people that deforestation can cause a lot of problems. So we need to stop deforestation.
Yes.
Okay, if we want to have a good environment. And the second thing is we can also forget to mention that the deforestation causes global warming.
global warming.
And
Yes,
we explain the consequences of global warming, the flooding.
yes,
But we forget to mention that the global warming.
global warming.
And so we can tell the people that if you are cutting the trees,
Yes.
the jungles, so we can give option. We can give offer to the global warming,
Global warming.
because we are increasing the global warming. Because
Yes.
there will be no place for carbon dioxide to absorb.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the next thing we need to do to stop deforestation?
Government need to.
Government.
Yes.
You mean government? Okay. How government can do this?
They need to plant the trees.
Oh, you mean to plant more trees?
More trees.
So we can have more jungles.
More jungles.
Oh, that's a good point. But I think Government need to make a policy.
Policy.
If they do not have a policy, they need to create this policy.
Yes.
They need to manipulate their policy in order to stop this deforestation.
Yes.
Why are you cutting deforestation? There must be some punishment
Yes.
against those who are cutting the trees and who are involved in deforestation. The government must need a strict action against those who are involved in deforestation. So I think that's for all today. We explained a very interesting and very important topic. I hope you learned something from our video. If you learned something, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.